First we make a rectangle of 10 meter by 20 meter as per our size of my playground. Okay, go to top elevation, top view. We put grid lines 40 centimeter on the top outside, same 40 centimeter downside. From the left also we make at 40 centimeter. From here again we make 40 centimeter. Then we shift it at make extra lines, grid line at every 5 meter to divide the equally into different portions. We make a circle of radius 1 centimeter as a pole, and this one we will just copy it and bring it to the other corner. And we can give this color, beige color, to this one from the material options. Now we'll copy, we have to extrude them. So this column will be 6.5 meter height and the other column will be 5 meter height. So 1.5 meter will be the slope. Next we will copy these two columns. Select both the columns, use our copy command, move with control key, and we can make its copies how much we want. So we can see two columns are missing, so we just copy them again and bring it there. Okay, so now our all columns are ready on the both sides. Now you can see, now we have to make the tent. The tent we just make a rectangle of 10.8 with height of 1.5 meter. Make a offset inside of 2 centimeter. Join this line over here. Erase these other lines. So this is ready, but it's not fully closed, so we'll close it from here. This become an area, so this down line we can delete. So this is ready now, the section of cloth. So we just copy it and move it to the edge of the poles. Give color as a heavy blue. Copy it, move it to the poles. It's there. Delete this one. Now we make a line. From first pole to the last pole. So we select this line, use the follow command, select this one, and you can see it's covered completely. So this our shade area is ready. My real file is in other layout. So you can see it's ready now to place. So now I will delete all the lines in this down area. Just I keep one line for my reference. Select it completely and you convert into a component. Then Control C, copy it, and I open my other layout. So I have pasted it here. Now I will take this one, this element, this component. I take this reference point and copy it to the playground. So I place it here. So one shade is there. Other two areas are not of the same size, but we will copy it and put them there. Take it from this line axis, which I keep the line. I put one by one. One is there, and again I use the same command, copy. Take it from here. Now I move large copy up to this area. But you can see that sizes are not as per the playground down. So we just select it, use the stretch command. We stretch it here on this side. And on the same way, we can stretch it on the other side. So you can see it's fitted on this playground area. We check the other one. Select it. And it's look like very much right. We fit in one direction. Now we will go for the other direction. Shift it from here. The other side I cannot see the points. Now I will move this one to this point. So now, so you can see it's already adjusted. A simple way to make a shade. You can try in other ways. This is only just to give you an idea how to do it, and later on you can try different ways, different themes, different style, whichever you want, and you can try it. This is only for your small tips and training for you. So you can see. Thank you very much for watching the video. Stay connected.